Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing of a solid steel stick with sheath. Okay. So in verse 1, there's a sheath that you can put on your belt, and it's also have an extendable version. So there's the unboxing. There was marked what is inside. I can't remember what was it. I think it is a 16 inch. Yeah, 16-inch. Let's get it out of the packaging. So the cylinder needs wrapping. So let's get it out. And here you go. There's a 16-inch steel baton. It works like a bomb. You can see inside. Unscrew this cap. So this is the metal clip. Holds these two parts together, and it's like a little bigger part right here. You can see that will be hooking up in here, inside. Just put everything back together. It's a quick and easy maintenance baton. Not that expensive. In rand, it was how much in rand? I think it was 430 rand in last year. It was 430 rand and 0 cents. So that is how much it costs in rand in my country or my land where I live. So this is just a good baton. I lost the sheep a couple of weeks ago. Lost, I think it broke or something, can't remember. But if you see it just you can stand back, see put it right there and take it out and you can just slap it on some metal concrete or something like this. And it will just put a point at the front or at the bottom of your heart, something like this, and then just whack it down. Where's my current sheath for it? It goes right here. That's good. Next to my firearm and my handcuffs. So it's also very easy to grab it. I have good memory of where it sits. Bend it down and slap it against some hard surface. And that's what I have for you guys, for you. Then, have a wonderful guys. See you all in the next one.